5 health benefits of sea moss. Hey everyone, Rob here from Remedies Insider and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 health benefits of sea moss. So if you're ready, let's go. A famous animated crab once sang, "The seaweed is always greener in someone else's lake." But you don't have to be a musical gifted crustacean to reap the benefits of sea moss, which offers great health benefits. Sea moss, also known as Irish moss or red seaweed, is a type of seaweed that grows year-round in tidal pools and inlets. And here are 5 health benefits of sea moss that might surprise you. Number 1. Supports thyroid health. Our thyroid gland is responsible for releasing hormones that help govern our health, energy, reproduction, and repair. Iodine is one of the keys to a healthy thyroid, but because your body doesn't make iodine on its own, you can only get it through diet. And most people will get enough iodine from dairy products, seafood, and iodized salt. Number 2, it supports gut health. Your digestive system is full of bacteria, some good and some bad. And because gut health is associated with overall health, balancing out those bacteria is an important element of your wellness. Algae, including sea moss, is a good source of fiber and live bacteria. It can help replenish the good bacteria in your gut. Number 3, it's heart healthy. Sea moss and seaweed are considered superfoods. It has a higher fiber content than most vegetables, which is a good thing, because fiber has all kinds of positive effects on the body. Sea moss can also help improve blood sugar control and help lower your cholesterol. It can also help reduce your risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. Plus, it's been shown to help lower blood pressure, which is another key factor for overall good heart health. Number 4, promotes weight loss. Remember how much fiber sea moss and seaweed has in it? You see, high fiber foods are filling foods, which means they may keep you from overeating. The fiber will help keep us feel fuller longer, which may help in weight control and help you lose overall weight. And number 5, helps boost your immunity. One study showed Atlantic salmon that ate sea moss have a much more efficient immune response than salmon that didn't. Of course, fish and people have very different bodies, and no similar studies have yet proven the same effect on humans. But still, a healthy gut is associated with a healthy immune system. And sea moss is also high in iron and antioxidants, which both contribute to immune health. Okay, well, that's all I got for today, and I hope you enjoyed today's video on 5 health benefits of sea moss. Also, if you haven't already, click the link in the description and or the pinned comment. Head on over to our blog and get your free A to Z complete home remedy guide with over 2,000 plus homemade natural remedies. It's 100% free, and I know you're going to love it. So if you like today's video, please give it a like and share it with your family and friends, as this helps us out a lot here at Remedies Insider, and it also helps us keep the lights on. And also, if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe and check that bell notification so you can be notified when I release a video. I am uploading 3 videos a week now. And if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I'm Rob from Remedies Insider. Have a great day or night. Take care, and God bless.